Have you felt tired and sleepy and suddenly yawned? Or saw someone and you couldn't hold it and you yawned too? But why do we yawn anyway? One reason why we yawn is as a response when we are tired and sleepy. When we're bored, our brain's stimulation drops and our body can also respond with a yawn. Research says that yawning can be as a result of a transition from one state to the next, like yawning after a high-energy sport is completed. Other theories say that yawning cools the brain when it gets too hot. The yawn increases blood flow to the face and the heart rate increases. Have you yawned after someone else yawned? Well, some theories say these contagious yawns can be a sign of empathy, while other theories suggest that they are a communication tool. However, it is not yet fully known why yawns are contagious. So next time, when you see someone yawn or when you yawn, think about why. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.